I wanted Bobby to come home and make some better roux than what I made, but he said this is fine. I didn't think it was dark enough. He said it's fine. These are 2-ounce portion cups, because we're not going to use all of this. These freeze well. Another thing you can do if you don't have portion cups is get like an ice cube tray, like a regular ice cube tray. And while it's still not hot, but a little bit still warm, like it'll pour, you can put it in the ice cube trays, let it get to room temperature, stick it in the freezer, let it freeze, and then you can put that in a Ziploc bag. You make sure you label your Ziploc baggie so you know what's in your freezer. But that's what I'm doing with the leftover roux. They're labeled and I have the date on there, and they're gonna go in the freezer. I'll probably put them in one big Ziploc bag so they're just not like everywhere in the freezer. Yeah. Hey, follow us if you want to see us make seafood gumbo.